Someone told me they liked my description of the Trump administration, calling it the whack-a-mole administration. And that's what it is. Whenever they're stopped in courts from doing one thing, they refile and pop right back up and do the same thing. And it's going across different like terms. During his first term, his Attorney General Jeff Sessions filed stopped and withdrew funding from the city of Chicago because Chicago had sanctuary city laws not helping the Trump administration carry out its immigration agenda back then. And a court, after they were sued, said it was unconstitutional, unlawful. And now you have a Trump two-term, and they're doing the exact same thing. This time they went to a court and asked for a ruling saying that they can file and challenge the city of Chicago in the state. They named the mayor and the governor of Illinois, and Judge Trina Thompson was like, you can't do this. This is against the law. You can't force a state to help you violate the 10th Amendment and federalism, dude. The day after a judge told them you can't do that, they filed a fresh new lawsuit against the city of New York, naming Mayor Eric Adams. And it was based on the target list, which is a sloppy target list. If you follow the headlines, you know that the list was probably made by ChatGPT and included misspellings, all these cities and states that weren't even sanctuary cities. So it's a mess. Anyway, the fact of the matter is, the real story is that they're doing this for the headlines. They keep losing. They lose even in front of Trump appointed judges because they don't have facts, they don't have law on their side. They ask for delay because they're hemorrhaging. I'm JJ Legal. If you follow me, one of the things that I tell you is that I am in the dockets that I'm seeing where Department of Justice attorneys withdraw themselves because by law they have to tell the court and get permission to be removed. And they're hemorrhaging Department of Justice attorneys because people just, the real story is this, they're thin because not a lot of people want to participate and assist in this attempted fascist authoritarian coup and take over and dismantling democracy as we know it. So the real story is if you fight them, you can win. People have gotten money, protections, mental health services, even a chance to come back to the United States after being wrongly deported. You just have to not let the headlines scare you. The courts are still here. Checks and balances are still here. The military swears an oath to the Constitution. And if we flip Congress in 2 years, we can impeach, convict, and remove him before the 4 years are up. So they're not untouchable. They're not unstoppable. It's just a whack-a-mole with no strategy beyond the headlines. And they're just like, well, you need to fight back and win. And that's what it is. They just don't have any headlines. It's just smoke and mirrors. They're just filing civil complaint after civil complaint. None of this stuff is really criminal. And it is what it is. So your job is just to stay strong and know that the courts are winning. If you're not following me, follow me along, share this video, each one teach one. I'm helping you stay calm and let you know to the extent to which we are winning, actually. JJ Legal.